What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. So, yesterday, we dipped, trivial day. 803 was your low, came back up. Your over under yesterday was 42, closed above that. That 55, 54, 55 is going to be my over under today. We are above that. In fact, ES opened above that. We are right in that traffic of the 70s, 75 area. 84 is a level I'll be watching, and then this 99, 3900 area. Tippy top, though, this 2023 level should hold, and then your 100 days up at 34. So those are levels that I think that, will probably hold unless we get a super squeeze. I just don't see that today. Your 200's way up here at 40.27. So we'll see, if this continues, if we do get a squeeze up, if we've come down. I mean, we've had a lot of down days. So, everyone's been trying to catch this rippy squeeze up and have not been successful so far. Maybe today's the day, setting up for a down day tomorrow. But so 22 and then 34 are really my two upside targets. We get above that. And we could see that 65 area. But again, who knows? We've got singles to clean up to 68 over here. Actually, quite a bit of them all the way up to the 200 days. So lower level, we lose that 55 level, then that 42, 43 level, 27, then an 03. Pivots today, 41. 78, 3904, 41. These are decent pivots today. Should be fairly accurate. Here's your daily. Again, channel's still there. I did have that one channel up, but he broke. 3909 is your 2-year volume POC. And then we still have this big volume spike at that 3793.94 area. Which has held. This dipped. It was, staved off by about 5 points. So, we had a bottom here at 07, bottom here at 03. Again, is this that? I don't know, but I'm still looking at that for a head and shoulders. So if that lower breaks, I think that, it gets real sad down here. I think it's pretty much a clear shot to 3750. And then more so. So I don't see us getting down to 3,500 again in the near term, but we will see. And let's see if we just consolidate here, and then we could bear flag down, or we could get who knows anymore, crazy reversal. Again, this is low volume holiday trade, so please be careful. It really has been choppy and no follow through. Tough to trade. Your 200 days still at 36.55 on the weekly. Again, your macro support levels way down here. So we're just kind of looking. But again, there's that head and shoulders. If it is kind of a poor man's one, but if it isn't, it sure held like one. So again, if we lose that, then I think that Christmas will be canceled, and winter is coming. What else? Euro still holding strong here. I don't know if this is going to be, if we're bull flagging here for a rip higher. Again, the tippy top there is just under that 108 level. We're still holding 106, 106.3 now. End of year is above 106 will stave off death. Above that 107 half level will mean that we'll probably rally into January. So we'll see about that. So if we do that, if that rallies into January, we could see an equity run. But the divergence between these two have changed. Even Joey said that in the room about gold and equities. That's changed. So we're starting to see market structure change where equities and precious metals aren't the indicator that they used to be. Again, as I've said before, you can have dollar index, gold, and silver, and equities all rise at the same time, that's when like brains start exploding because people don't think that can happen. And that's when, you just get a total flight to safety from elsewhere, macro, right? So we get capital flows from, let's say, Europe or China or somewhere. They're trying to find safe haven for money, and they're coming into our equities, gold, silver, and dollar index. So keep an eye on that as we start to see divergence between the precious metals. Everyone's talking about silver squeeze. It was up $1. SLV was up $1 yesterday. Silver index or futures were at 24 yesterday. So quite a leap there in that market. Gold as well popped. So everyone's getting on the bull train on that. I don't think that's going to be, that bull case won't be until later next year. I think that we'll probably have another dip in the first quarter on those and then come back. So again, we'll see. Cash gap up here, 35.95 to 58. That's quite a large one. We still keep chipping away at this one. But 37.48 is going to be your low on that. And then we can kind of expand. So we've kind of had a doop. So we'll see how everything works. But or if we get a reversal today down. I don't know today. I have no feels. Not much economically. Count deficit, consumer confidence, existing home sales. That might be interesting, and I can't see how that number is good. But at the same point, the last few that I thought were going to be bad have been surprisingly good, and we still have quite a bit of information coming out the rest of this holiday week. UMISH on Friday, core PC, so we'll see. Where was that? So existing home sales, and then Chicago Fed index. Oh, new home sales is going to be the big one on Friday. So anyway, I don't know. Stay safe. And if you see profit, take profit. Obviously, we could see another choppy day, quiet day. So stay safe. Keep your yearly monies in your pocket. It's okay not to trade cash as a position.